we have triangle ABC. Angle A measures 3x plus 1, angle B 2x plus 3, and angle C 5x plus 6. What is the longest side, longer side, and shortest side of this triangle? So first, we need to have an angles to answer the question. But before that, we need to solve for the equation. So, measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B plus measurement of angle C is equals to 180 degrees. So, that's 180. So, afterwards, we substitute the measures 3x plus 1, 2x plus 3, plus 5x plus 6 equals 180 degrees. Next, we combine similar terms, 5x, 2x, and 3x. So, you have 10x plus 1, 3, and 6. So, that would be 10 equals 180 degrees. Next step, we apply addition property of inequality, or you can just simply subtract to the other side of equation. So plus negative 10 or minus 10, so this will become 0. So the remaining is 10x, and this would be 170 degrees. So this will become 0. So the remaining term is 10x. At the right side, you have 180 plus negative 10, you have 170. So next step, divide both sides by 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1, and 170 divided by 10 is 17 degrees. So the value of x is 17 degrees. So afterwards, you go back to the original equation. So angle A equals 3x plus 1. So substitute, replace x by 17. So you have 3 times 17 plus 1. So 51 degrees plus 1. So you have here angle A is 52. Measurement of angle A is 52. Next step, angle B. So angle B is 2x plus 3. So angle B equals 2x plus 3. So replace x by 17. So 2 times 17 plus 3. So the answer here is 34 plus 3. So angle B is 37 degrees. So angle B is 37. Next, angle C is 5x plus 6. So angle C, 5x plus 6. So 5 times 17 plus 6. So that would be 85 plus 6. So angle C is 91 degrees. So next step, we need to add. So the three angles here must be equal to 180 degrees. So let's add 52, 37, and 91. So that would be 2 plus 7 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 5, 6. Plus 3, 9, 18. So 180. So if we're going to redraw the given, you have here angle A 52, angle B 37, and angle C 91. So by applying angle to side, triangle inequality theorem, the largest the angle, the longest the opposite side. So this is the longest, this is the longer side, and this is the shortest. So we just assume the given. So longest is side AB. Side AB is the longest. If we're going back to the question, the longest side is AB. Longer side is BC. And the shortest is AC. That's the shortest side. So AC will be the shortest side.